Well, in Comodia senior citizens, yes, how about Richmond Lamptey being called to the national football team, the senior side, the Black Stars, now head of Afcon Kosono, generated so much talk about that. The veteran, international, renowned football scout, coach Eben Sefah, weekend now or preview Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne Brekum Chelsea game Basono, and I'll highlight it on Richmond Lamptey. Now, also there, or say. Richmond Lamptey far better than most of the Black Star players are. Or the Richmond Lamptey positives a go. You could see no. In more the buy.
The Black Stars, nobody can convince me.
Richmond Lamptey.
Yes.
Problem.
Yes.
Calling no, but when you be a bono.
On one opportunity to oh, friends of money, they don't call him. No, they don't call him. You do. Nobody in this country can convince me. Say Richmond Lamptey, say the Black Star, Jesse, he will not deliver.
Midfield.
This is the boy.
Midfield.
A player who has played for Wafa, played for Interlight, gone outside, come to his third season in Kotoko, and the kind of experience. The colleagues, they are Black Stars, and can't he play? Unless you are not doing
truthful. Midfield, no players, no way to compete.
He will play better than them. I challenge them to Monfreno. I challenge Chris Uti and his secretary to call Richmond Lamptey. I challenge them.
The players are
Joe, Justice Blaze on your fritter. Play your fritter. The Black Star defenders for ye. What are we talking about? Unless we don't have confidence in our players. Nurudin, from Mediama. I'm happy to see Zemina Mediama Moses Baka from second division. Because we are middle league or central region. No, but Chita FC. My friend Moses said, there's this boy I want to. But then man, for me to show him. Within a season or two, there is no routine. He's in the Black Stars. But the boy doesn't even know me. Black Star match, my friend, I'm saying, I see there be. The more we did, I took him to Moses Parker. So the boys are there. Give them the opportunity. Jonathan, so I beat Sokaranobo. And then he's part of the Black Stars. And look at the attitude and confidence of Comoros. That's few times the man to come onto the pitch. They should have confidence in our local boys. And they'll deliver.
Richmond Lamptey, you know, Black Stars when
yes.
But the players know what Black Stars midfield.
Honestly, let me put them aside. Today, I will raise it ahead of the day. Are you in the Black Star game or your bob or your boa? What are we talking about? Comoros game, no Richmond Lamptey. It's current form. Are we talking about?
Any part of your setup.
Current form. Richmond Lamptey is doing very well, Joe. And with the support of the people, Babayara. Unless you don't know Richmond Lamptey, and I'm saying the colleagues of Bobo Blaster, only when the ball Wafa, Majid as you know, is their colleagues. Because it's all Antiana. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? Or they are not being truthful.
The first one in the colleges is level here.
I'm not about Richmond Lamptey with Joe. Player more than an hour. It takes a coach or a dream pass and a way to stop on Richmond Lamptey. Unless you don't know the attributes of this player.
I see.
He's a creative player. Blaster, we don't have. It's like we are forcing about two pivots. It is a couple one, two pivots. That's a Baku Jomanima. You just saw the Musa Penny watching. Also, Kudus or Bemunase or Jibola or Brest or Bema pass because only confidence one of the colleagues in him. I'm telling you.
Richmond Lamptey, Gideon Waja, and Majid Ashmeru were the midfielders that destroyed Accra Heart of Oak in Sogakope in 2017. Coach Sefah is right. Lamptey is better than Baba Idrisu, Didayu, Elisha Owusu, and Edmond Ado.
Current form.
Spain Boga.
Current form. Let's be realistic. Current form.
Lamptey is better than Baba Idrisu, Didayu, Elisha Owusu, and Edmond.
So a current form are we talking about? Current form are we talking about? And then Kotoko Lamptey Kotoko set up one. Kotoko team is beatable and block. I'm telling you. Asama Mike first time. Say Brekum Chelsea, Asama Mike. If Brekum Chelsea can work on Babayaya, Richmond Lamptey, and stop the pass through the middle to Steve Mukola, Kotoko is dead.
And then Kotoko Brekum Chelsea is very dead.
You can't Richmond Lamptey.
Musumi Busa, we are coming.
Sabi, DT Richmond Lamptey.
Baba, because I want to say, for Quay on Fason Beshokotoko. What did be a duty after March,